Hey guys, welcome back. This is Caleb with Prodigy Life Group.
And this is Houston Ann, and today we're going to be going over a question that we've been getting a lot lately. It's how are beginners coming into life insurance and making $10,000 a month?
Yeah, truth be told, not a huge percentage of people who come into this industry make that kind of money right off rip or ever, if that. So ultimately, agents who do make that kind of money right off the bat are the ones who are doing the things that most people aren't willing to do.
And before we dive into what that actually looks like for an agent to make $10,000 a month, I wanted to first ask as well, because I get this second question is, do I need to have a rap sheet of sales experience? Do I need to have like the magic silver tongue to be able to like really sell every single person I talk to? Or is it something that if you have the right systems, the right leadership, and the right skills, that you could actually come in with zero experience?
Yeah, no, absolutely. We have tons of guys who come in here with zero prior sales experience. Usually the common thread for those who find success is going to be some level of obviously work ethic, coachability, and just a willingness to, be a sponge and absorb everything from those who are already doing this at a high level. It's ultimately going to come down to those who are willing to plug into the system and follow the playbook that's already drawn out for them.
Yeah, and with that being said, like the systems, the actual blueprint for them to be able to make it in this industry, what exactly makes Prodigy different, and why are people who are coming from jobs such as Amazon, Starbucks, and other places able to really plug into here and really make six figures their first year in the business?
Yeah, so Prodigy Life Group was created obviously by us, and it was done so with all the different issues that we've kind of identified in the industry and reverse engineered things from there. We were able to kind of identify certain things that were wrong with certain agencies and how their systems were. So that's what inspired us to create this organization. But first and foremost, everything from even the onboarding process and the boot camp courses that we provided, just so everybody has all the thorough information possible before they ever get on the phones. And then beyond that, of course, we've developed these certain lead programs that are designed to, act as a bridge for new agents who are maybe coming from a 9-to-5, maybe they've never stepped into the entrepreneurship, business ownership kind of role or world. And so we've created that bridge system for them to be able to really focus on the things that matter the most, which is getting good at the sales process and, making as much money as possible.
And when it comes to a new agent coming into Prodigy, they just got their license, they just got their NPN number, and they're ready to essentially produce some business. What does that process actually look like the first 30 days, followed by the following 30 days of that agent to get them up to speed as quick as possible?
Yeah, so again, we've developed that bridge system. It's a lead program that we have designed for new agents to be able to leverage a pool of free leads, essentially, where again, all they have to do is focus on getting on the calls, just failing forward, just getting better and sharpening their craft. And again, it's designed for them to make as much money as they can their first month so that they can take that now business funding and then go ahead and apply that to their own business, right? Over here at Prodigy, we obviously preach a lot of principles and, philosophies about business and how to operate it properly. So, again, with certain agencies out there, you are expected to not only go through the learning curve, but also invest your own capital while doing so, which can be a scary thing, especially when you don't have the prior sales experience. So understanding that's why we created that program.
Yeah, man, absolutely. And guys, this business is simple, but it's not easy. Now, there's a reason why a small percent of people make it in this business. Yes, the systems and the leadership and the mentorship is a big part of it, but really the person that is applying themselves on a day-to-day basis, that is the most important part of this whole business. If you don't apply yourself to the business, you're not going to get the results. You can show someone how to drink water and where the water's at, but if they don't drink it, then that's on them, right? So guys, if you are coachable and you guys are willing to learn and follow the play, you have a very high chance of making six figures in this business. Now, if you don't follow the play, you have a high chance of failing out of this business. So make sure that you plug yourself with the right people and ultimately the people who have made six figures in this business, and make sure that you're with a team that wants to see you win. So if that's you guys and you guys are trying to make six figures your first year in the business and you want to have the highest chance of doing so, make sure to click the link below, schedule an interview with one of our managers. We'll reach out, we'll see if you're a good fit for us. And if you are, maybe you'll be on your way to making six figures. With that said, guys, we'll see you in the next episode.